Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error code 277. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your Windows Start button, type CMD or command prompt. Make sure to run as the admin. Then over here, I want you to type this command, net sh space win sock reset. Hit enter, and then once done, the second command will be ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Hit enter. And then once done, you can now close the command prompt. Next, I want you to minimize this and then go to your Windows Start button, type Roblox, all right? Right click on it, go to open file location, and then right click, properties, and then go to compatibility and make sure these are checked or enabled. Run this program in compatibility mode. Check this. Disable full screen optimizations and then run this program as the admin. Click apply and OK. And that's it. You're done. You have now successfully fixed your Roblox error code 277. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.